Are you looking for something blonde and sweet? I'm not talking about us.
No. Today we're gonna make blonde brownies, so come on in.
Thanks for watching Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And we have a recipe today. I found it on my desk about a week ago, and I thought, why not use this one? Because I used to do it a long time ago.
Yeah.
And I think you're going to love this one.
And it sounds delicious. When she told me about it, I'm like,
it's sweet.
And it's sweet, and it's
so good.
blonde.
Blonde.
So, yes, blonde brownies.
I guess that's what did the trigger to it, you know?
Yeah. It's sweet. It's sweet, just like us.
Sweet.
All right. So we've got 2 1/4 cups of just all-purpose flour that we're going to start with here. And we've got a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. And that's going to...
That's what's on the list we got.
Yeah, I got my cheat sheet here because I couldn't remember all that this morning. And then we've got some sugar. We got a 1/2 cup of granulated white sugar.
There we go.
And we're going to mix that up. Get the dry ingredients right.
Right.
And I'm flinging flour.
I'm
flinging flour.
Yeah, I sent the recipe to her the other day. I had to go ahead and print it out and everything. So
get it all ready to go.
Yes. I mean, it's probably been 15 years since I did this.
That looks just...
Even the paper had already turned yellow. So you imagine how far back that was.
It's an oldie, but it's a good one. It's an oldie, but a goodie.
Yes. We got a 1.25 cups of brown sugar. We got dark sugar and light sugar in.
This is light and dark brown sugar because the dark brown sugar makes it a little bit more sweet and moist. A little sweeter.
Yes, a lot sweeter.
Yeah, but that dark brown sugar will help it be a little more moist. I'll stir for you.
Yeah, stir that.
I'm stirring. So it's kind of half and half.
Yes.
You know, there's a couple little chunks of brown sugar in here, and I'm just going to take a fork and make sure that they get those clumps get broken up because brown sugar tends to do that. We'll make sure that there's no big giant rolls of brown sugar. You get a bite of that and go, whoa, that's sweet.
Well, if you find that, let me know because I'll take it. These are good, but I forgot all about it.
All right, I think I got all the lumps out of there. Making sure.
Yes, that looks good. So this is all of our dry ingredients. Now we're going to add a cup of butter.
Melted butter. And we're going to stir that in. And then we've got 2 eggs and an egg yolk. I mean, 2 eggs and an egg white. Boy, I'm talking good today. 2 eggs and 1 egg white. And I'm just going to pour that in, and we just kind of mix that together. And that's room temperature eggs. I'll go on your side and grab this one for you, since you're stirring.
Since I'm stirring.
That's right. You keep mixing it up. And then we've got a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to put that in. And then we're going to add in our white chocolate chips.
Ooh. I just love the way that sounds. I feel like you're at a slot machine or something.
Yeah, I wish that was like coins coming out of a slot machine.
Yeah.
And once we get this completely mixed up, we're going to put it in our cake pan. So we decided that we were going to make this a 2-tone blonde with some brunette roots.
Yeah, some depth to it.
So in our pan here, we have some aluminum foil, and then we put our parchment paper in over that. And this is going to be real easy to lift this whole thing out and put it on our cooling rack at the end when we're done. So that's why we did it like this. And then you don't have to worry about spraying any nonstick spray or anything because it's all going to come right out of here and make it very simple. So the first thing we're going to do, we have a cup of chocolate chips. These are the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And we're just going to sprinkle those evenly. I know. Look at that. Sounds like money hitting a bucket, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And we're just going to put those evenly across the bottom. Then we're going to take our spoon and dollop sections of this over the top of our chocolate, and I'll spread it out as we go because this is real thick. So
there's another one.
And another in.
Another one. Another one.
I'll spread them out.
Yep.
Right there. And I'm going to spread this out evenly Well, you get the rest of that out. Okay.
So we spread this out evenly.
Right on top of the chocolate chip.
Yeah, and then put some pecans on top.
Little pecans. And I don't want, we're just going to sprinkle a few on top.
Not a lot, just a few.
Just because.
Just because it makes it even look better. It can't look any better because it tastes so good.
This is so good. I know, because we licked the spoon.
Oh,
we were back. Where'd Sheila go? Oh, she's back there licking the spoon.
Oh, it tastes so good. Doug does. You know?
She goes, Mom's like, can I have that? Oh, I guess she's going to lick the spoon. Never mind. She ain't going to clean that. So we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to put these in there for, how long?
25 to 30 minutes.
25 to 30 minutes, Mom says.
Yeah.
Neither one of us can remember anything today.
This is our last one for the
This is the last one of the whole week's worth of cooking shows that we have been filming.
About 8 or 10.
9. This is 9 today.
9.
Yeah, we've done 9 shows this week. So if we seem a little spacey, it's the blonde, and sometimes we're just tired.
And we just saved the blonde thing for last.
All right, we're going to put it in the oven, and we'll be back because she's happy. Yummy. Yeah. So we got these out of the oven. It actually took about 40 minutes, and they smell so good.
They do. Look at that.
Look at that. I know. We're like we got our coffee, and we're gonna try it out. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You gonna take a corner piece or a middle piece?
I'll take this one.
Okay. You take that one.
Okay.
I'll take one of these middle pieces here.
Okay.
Yum! Look at that. Look at the
inside.
Chocolate on the bottom, and oh.
Blonde.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
So good. Oh, you gotta try this.
My mouth is watering.
I like this.
Come here and try this, Mom.
No.
I like this
On camera.
chocolate on the bottom and the white on top.
Yeah, good. Well, as Steve would say, are these the best?
Blonde brownies.
If it ain't, it ought to be. We're in sugar heaven right now, so we're going to continue to eat this yummy stuff. Mom's already over there eating hers. She's like, this is so good.
Oh
Yeah, she's
gosh,
over
it's
rattling her.
You are going to love it. You got to try
You gotta
it.
make these.
Blonde Brownies.
Yes.
And we will see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Ready?
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.